The team at Handy is excited to introduce to you the Delta lift table, the lift that's ready for the mission. Built for strength, engineered for simplicity, and designed to perform in demanding shop environments, the Delta lift table delivers a new standard in lift table technology. Featuring an innovative airbag lifting system, maintenance-free IGUS pivot bearings, and a built-in automatic safety lock, the Delta eliminates common maintenance issues found in traditional lift tables while delivering smooth, dependable lifting every time. With a 30-inch by 88-inch work surface, 6 adjustable height positions, and an 1,800-pound lifting capacity, the Delta lift is built to handle the real-world demands of professional service shops. Proudly made in the USA and backed by a lifetime structural warranty, the Delta lift is ready for the mission every day in your shop.